Ciao and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rebuild a mesh by sorting the faces and points based on how close they are to a locator. Let's begin. First, we calculate how far each face and each point are from the locator. To do this, I use the update face center to find the center of each face. This lets me measure how far each face is from the locator. At the same time, I calculated the distance of the points from the locator. Next, I use sort array with indices to put the faces in order, starting with the nearest and going to the farthest from the locator. Now that I have the order, I need to extract the face offset and face vertex. To do this, I first use the get mesh structure. Get mesh. Okay. Okay. I create an iterate loop. In this loop, I use the sorted indices to get the start and end offset for each face from the face offset. Then I apply a slice array using this offset to extract the face vertex. Once I have the face vertex, I use get from array uh, sorry. I use get from array to find the position of the points that correspond to each face. This gives me the position of the points that make up the face. Then I create another iterate loop, and this time I use the find all in array to match the position of the positions of the original face vertex with the proximity based point. This ensures that the vertices are in the right place based on their proximity to the locator. Now to construct the face vertex, build array to assign face vertex out. Okay, I update this build array. Now I have the building face vertex. We move on building the face offset. So in the first iteration, I check if the current index is 0. Okay, condition. Now I use a condition to trigger a builder. In this builder, the first element is 0, and the second element is the difference between the start and end offset of the current phase, which gives the number of the vertices in that phase. So subtract and start builder. face offset out. Okay. Face offset face vertex width. Okay. In the next iteration, I take the last in array from the face offset built in the previous iteration. Okay. And add the number of vertices for the current faces. So, okay. Okay, this create a new builder where the first element is the update offset from the previous step, and the second element is the newly calculated number of the vertices. Now that we have both the face vertex and face offset, I rebuild the mesh using construct mesh. Construct mesh. Use the proximity points and new face offset and new face vertex. Okay, let me check the face center if it is correct. Construct points. It set shape and shape. Okay. 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 And that's it. The mesh is now rebuilt using the new face offset and the new face vertex based on the proximity to the locator. I hope everything was clear. Sorry if my English wasn't perfect, but Thank you for watching, and how I hope this tutorial was helpful. Ciao.